Use a trim tool, take these clips off, try to get behind the clip. Just pop it forward. This one's already popped off, and sometimes there. Underneath here, I'm gonna get behind here, being very careful. There's a clip there and there. Other side as well. Then underneath, you're gonna have some clips. Those ones, you're just gonna have to pull with your hand. And pull it off. There'll be a clip right there as well, and right there. Take this bolt out right here, use a 10mm socket. And also right here. Right here there's a push pin. Use a trim tool. Pop that up and pop that out. Trim piece right here. Just use a trim tool, take that, pop that off. Do the same on the other side. Then underneath here, you want to take this trim piece off right here. Just use a trim tool again. Pop this clip off. Then this piece can move. Then pry this back a little bit. And right here, there's a little button. You have to reach in there, pull the button. You're basically squeezing it. And then you got to push the bumper forward. You might have to rock it up and down a little. And that should slide off like that. When I have it out, I'll show you that. And then do the same on the other side. And just pull the bumper off. Just go this way. This is what that tab looks like out of the vehicle. That's when you want to squeeze down. And then there's a pin that goes in there. So that's just holding that pin in. So pop that out, slide it out. Now we're going to slide the bumper back on. Line that pin up with that bracket. Just push it on. So it locks in place. Do the same on the other side. Now line this up. Take that push pin. Pop it in. Lock it down. And this push pin out here. Slide that in place and lock it down. Do the same to the other side. Put this push pin in the middle. Push it down. Then on the side, put these two bolts in. Get that started, get this one started. And snug them down. Now slide it in position, line it up. With it all lined up, just push.